Good morning, world. This is Chris. We're doing another experiment. The last one was with Sprite. And how would it work with pH drops and Kangen water? Now, last time I did it with just putting in the 1 ounce of that in that beaker and put the pH in it. But I had nothing to compare it to. So now this time I'm going to be taking Kangen water in this and putting it in there. So I've got a jug of water, I got pH drops, and I have my beaker, and I've got Gatorade. So let's move these things a little bit over here to the side. Gatorade. Is Gatorade more acidic than pop? Now, I assumed that pop was worse than Gatorade. We don't want to have acid buildup in our body when you're a sports person, let alone going for a walk. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting in 1 ounce of Kangen water in the bottom of the beaker. 1 ounce. Can you see that? 1 ounce. Just get the bad guy out of the way for a moment. We're going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shake it around. Look at the chart in the upper right hand corner. You'll see that it's alkaline. Okay. Now I'm going to put in 1 ounce of Gatorade. I put in 1 ounce of Gatorade. 1 ounce. Pour it in. It's changed it to acidic. Now, I'm going to be pouring in 8 ounces at a time. And I was going to do this all at one time, just pour it all in, which, by the way, it's going to come to the same answer in conclusion. 8 ounces. Upper right-hand corner chart, still acidic. I'm going to try to go fast, so I don't put you to sleep. There it is again, still acidic. This is the third cup, which is 24 ounces. Still yellow. Here is 32 ounces. Okay, we heard that if you're doing pop, it was 32 to 1. Well, we already figured out on the other test that when I did pop, it was what? 64 ounces, and it sort of turned a little bit. Okay, 4, 5. That's 40 ounces. Still yellow. In fact, it changed yellow pretty quick. 6. 6 times 8 is 48. Turn a little blue. Yellow. 7. Is it doing a turn? Is it staying blue? No. Okay, now this makes it 64 ounces. Oh, we wouldn't want to cheat. Let me pour off a little bit of it to make sure it's back to 8 ounces. So, what happened here? I put 1 ounce of Gatorade in this cup, right? You saw that. I also had the 1 ounce of 9.5 water from my Kangen 8 machine. It could have been a Kangen. It could have been a Kangen SD501 or a Junior. Quite frankly, it's going to be the same test. I would say that Gatorade is way worse than Sprite, because in Sprite it was at least 64 ounces was a tinge of blue. This thing has gone ridiculous. In fact, I tried to say, okay, what if I did it to 1 gallon? Well, let's just say after 1 gallon, it's still, I'm not laughing, folks. This is serious stuff. After 1 gallon, it turned out to be ridiculous. The next test it looks like I'm going to have to get is a 1 gallon clear glass jug, because quite frankly, this is being promoted in our schools. So if you're talking about just 1 ounce, let alone this bottle is, what is this bottle here? Let's see, this bottle is 12 ounces. Slug down a couple of these through the day. Don't you think you might have a little bit of a buildup of acid in your body? This is Chris in Michigan. Enjoy. Good morning, world.